that is mean and standard deviation and number of people or sample cases or something, the number of trials they given, and the given mu and me, you have to find the probability of that, how many of students lies and how many students applies between and above and below. So that type of questions we solved in the previous class. Okay, so now you have the terms. I mean, you have to calculate the mean and variance of the distribution. Now we have that types of problems. Okay, so first of all, so this is a question. In a normal distribution, 7% of the items are under 35 and 89% are under 63. Determine the mean and variance of the distribution. Okay. Okay, what is the question? So the given 7% of the items are under 35. Excuse me, civil students, if you have any doubt about this, you can ask me. Don't
Okay, ma'am.
Don't silent in the classroom, please. First of all, you have to respond either okay, say yes or no or okay. Why I don't
Okay, ma'am.
all of the students and only one person will respond for all the questions, remaining people and remaining students, why don't you answer the questions? I don't know why. So first of all, you have to know, you have to answer the questions at least yes or no, at least I understood. Okay, so the question is, in a normal distribution, 7% of the items are under 35, 89% are under 63. The question is here finding mean, finding variance. Okay, yesterday what we discussed, the given mean and variance. But here the question is you have to find mean and variance, the given area. In yesterday classes, we found area. We found the region, right? We have like this area. We first of all the given x values and okay. So first they given x value something, and then we converted x in terms of z, that is x minus mu by sigma. Then we obtain some z values. If you have two values in between x and something x1 x2, you will go for z1 and z2. After this you will draw a diagram and you will take z1 and z2. If you have negative, you will take left hand side. If you have positive, you will consider here. So if you have between, then this is the shaded region. That types of problems you solve. Here the question is, the 7% of the items are under 35. Okay, for this, for all the problems, you must have knowledge about diagram. That's it. Then you can answer the problem. If you understood the diagram, then you can answer. Otherwise, you didn't answer. Okay. First of all, 7% of the items. First of all, you have to know this is 50% from this line to this. This is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. I already told you this is symmetric about x-axis, so this will be 50% and this will be 50%. So this is 50% from this line to here, and this will be 50% from here to here. Okay, the question is 7% of the items are under 35. Main, the part is where you have to take 35. Here the 35 is the x. Okay, here the 35 is the x here. 89% under 63 means this is x2 and this is x1. Okay, where you have to take 35 first. Suppose I am taking 35 here. Suppose this is 35. Under means this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you take 35 here, this will be under from 35 to minus infinity.
Minus infinity.
Yes. So I already told you this will be for 50%, right?
0.5.
50%, that is 0.5. Okay. So 0.5, you can write 50% as after this I will. 50%. This will be something you don't know.
35%.
Oh,
Plus 35%.
no, okay. From this to this 35, right? Thank you. And this will be 85%, right? But what they given 7% of the items are under 35. So you don't consider here. You have to consider left hand side. Okay. This will be maybe 7%. Okay. I'm telling you that why I'm considering left hand side. Why I don't consider right hand side? Because if you consider right hand side, this will be more than 7%. So you have to consider the left hand side only. Because from minus infinity, it will be up to minus infinity. Maybe from 2 here, this will be 7%. So I'm taking here. Next, 89% are under 63. Now, 89, that meaning you can write it as 50 plus 39, right? This will be 50, right? I mean,
Right side will be 50.
from here to here 50. And mean you have to consider 39 remaining. So this will be suppose from here to here 39. So I'm considering this to this will be 63. So from here, the point 63 to minus infinity, that will be 89. From here to here. Right? Okay?
ఓకే మేము అండర్ ఉన్నందుకు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నుంచి తీసుకున్నాం మేము
Yes,
అండర్
under means this one, right? Above means this one. Above
means plus.
under.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, plus. Under means you have to consider left hand side.
From left hand side we have to take the values. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the reason why I am taking 35 to the left hand side. This is why I am taking 63 to the right hand side. Okay. I already told you this means this will be 50% and the remaining from here to here 89. So the remaining will be 39%, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is 39%, this is 7%. Okay. From here to here 7% means if you remove 7%, what you have to answer this region? 50 minus 7, that is 43. This will be 43. This is 7. Total 50. Here 39. And this will be 11. Like
11.
that. Yes. So this is how I am taking the graph here. Okay. First of all, you have to know where you have to take 35, where you have to take 63. The question is 7% of the item under. First of all, see where it is under or this is also under. That's why I'm taking here. If you are above, take this. So this is the graph. First of all, I'm taking, we don't know what is mean. That's why I'm taking mu as the mean and sigma as the standard deviation of the normal curve. Now, given area to the left turn origin at x equals to 35. X less than 35, right? Here. Less than means left hand side. That's why I'm taking less than. And remember one thing, under means less than. That's it. Okay. So I'm taking the probability of x less than 35. They given the area, 7% of the items. So they given the area, that is probability. Area is nothing but probability. So the probability of x less than 35 equals to 7%. 7%. Percent means if you remove percent, you will get 7 by 100. That is 0.07. Okay. This is in terms of general. This is 0.07. In terms of percentage, 7%. Okay, next. The probability of x less than 63. Less than means this shaded area. From here to here. That is 89%. From here to here. So 89%. That is if you remove percentage, you will get 2 zeros. That will be 0.89. Okay. So what you have to do? Same procedure like what we done in yesterday class. First of all, you have to convert x in terms of z. We have the formula for z equals to x minus mu by sigma. So when x equals to 35, you have to find z. When x equals to 63, you have to find z to the corresponding values of x. So z equals to x minus mu by sigma. Here we don't know mu and sigma, so write as it is 35 minus mu by sigma. I am taking this as minus z1. Why? To the left hand side of z equals to 0, we have minus values of z. To the right hand side, we have plus values. So that's why I'm considering here minus. Okay. So when x equals to 3, same procedure 63 minus mu by sigma. The second x equals to 3. So this is z2. Okay. So now you have to find variance, sigma, standard deviation and mu. So these are the equations you got. So here from the figure, I'm writing here 0 less than z2. So this will be 35, right? So I'm considering this as z1, and here I'm taking z1. This is x, not this one. So I'm considering here z2. This is minus z1, this is plus z2. Here we have that value 63. So from here to here, what is the area? z1, 0 less than z1, right? From 0 to z1, 0 to z1. From here to here, already this is 7%, and the remaining I already told you this is 43. So this will be probability of 0 less than z1 will be 0.43. 43% means 43 by 100. Okay, so 43 by 100 means 0.4. So 0 to z1 is 0.43. Now same 0 to z2. From 0 less than z2. What is this?
11%, ma'am.
No, this is 39. This is 11%, right? Okay. So this will be 39%. 39 means 0.39. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Probability of 0 less than I'm taking 0.39. Probability of 0.543. And now you have the table values, right? How many of you have the table in your mobile phone or in your textbook? Can anyone tell me what is the value of z? 0.39 value. I'm telling how we will take this.
ఈ మేడమేనా హైలైట్ చెప్తాను అనేది ఫట్ చెప్తాను ఈ మేడమేనా అందుకే మేడం
మ్యాథ్స్ వినాలి బ్రో ఇప్పటికే ఈ చాప్టర్ ఈజీగా ఉంది. ఇది సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ నేర్చుకుంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా.
In yesterday class we have z value.
రెండు ఫోన్లు ఉన్నాయి.
In yesterday class in the previous class we got this z1, right?
0.1517, ma'am.
వాడు కూడా మాట్లాడుతున్నావు, నువ్వు మాట్లాడొచ్చుగా.
You find in 0.3 like this, right?
Yes, ma'am. 0.3 plus 0.009. You're right, sir, ma'am. Intersection point will be 0.
I want to ask you the question, where is 1.23? Okay. This is probability, right? Is it visible to you? Is there any what happened?
Bro.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay, but my phone is so here the question is the probability equals to 0.39, not the z value. Here remember the probability is equals to 0.39. Probability equals to 0.39 means area is 0.39, not z value.
Okay.
You don't know what is z2. So now you have to look at the So here I have 0.39.
1.23, ma'am.
Yes.
1.23.
So 1.2 here and here we have 3. So 1.23 is the Z value. Okay, did you understand how I am taking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is not Z value. Don't consider here the values because this is the area, right?
Okay, ma'am.
This is the area, so you have to take the values of Z. That is the difference in the previous problem and this problem. Okay, maybe is it? I hope it is clear to you all. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I am taking same other 0 less than Z less than Z1. That is 0.43, right? So where we have 4. Now look at the table. If you have table, you can look at that
1.5.
0.43. Okay, here we have only 4292. Here we have 0.4306. From starting you have to consider because only we have 43, not any term. So I'm taking this one 4306. Where is 4306?
Starting value of this one.
1.4.
Yes, because you have only 0.43, right? The remaining values you don't know. That means 0.4300, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So here the starting one is 0.43. The second one is 19. So I'm considering this only. So what is the value of that 1.4? And the above one is 1.8, right? So 1.48.
Okay.
1.48.
Is it clear to you all remaining students?
కనిపిస్తారా మేడం?
చెప్పు
Shyam Kumar.
అదే ఓకే
మైక్ ఆన్
Shyam.
నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నా
140 rule number.
సామ్ అడుగుతుంది కదా మేడం.
ఇంకో శ్యామ్ అంటాడు.
Are you there?
శ్యామ్ సుందర్ ఈడ, ఇంకోటి శ్యామ్ కుమార్.
నీ కూడా శ్యామ్ కుమారా?
సుందర్.
సుందరా?
Lakshman, just say me yes or no. Did you understand? If you understand, then you can say yes. If you don't, you can say no. I will explain again.
Understand, madam.
Okay.
మళ్ళీ
So 7% how we have to take and main the procedure you have to understand the diagram.
ఎల్లి అంటే
Okay, then you can answer the answer for the question. So this is how I am taking. Next, you got the Z1 and Z2 values here. Now substitute the Z1 values and Z2 values in this equation. I'm substituting Z2 in 63 minus mu 1.23. Yes, we got here 1.23. So what is 1.23? 1.23 equals to x minus mu. Second Z2 means second one. So 63 minus mu by sigma. 1.23. I'm taking this sigma to this left hand side. 1.23
మరి అంత ఏం ఉండదులే అని
63 minus mu.
చూడొచ్చు.
So this is that one question, and to solving the questions I'm taking 63 by sigma minus mu by sigma equals to 1.23. So to substitute the values I'm taking this one, but remember
నెక్స్ట్ అఖిల్ గడ వస్తాడా?
you have to take like this 63 by sigma minus mu by sigma equals to 1.23. So solving the equations I'm taking like this.
కానీ అది చచ్చిపోవడే ఘోరంగా.
We got the Z1 values, that is minus 1.48. Why I am taking minus? Z1 is minus, but the value of Z1 is 1.48. Okay, so minus 1.48 equals to x. The first one 35 minus mu by sigma. So 35 minus mu by sigma equals to minus 1.48. So 35 minus
అది చచ్చిపోయి పైకి పోతుంది చూడు. అది ఎట్లా గడు ముద్దు పెట్టుతోటి చచ్చిపోతుంది.
is 35 by sigma minus mu by sigma equals to minus 1.48.
మరి
We got the two equations. I'm taking this as 1 and this as 2. Now solve the equations to get the values of mu and sigma. You know the values when you have the two equations with the two variables, you will get the values for the two variables. So first of all, I am taking 1 minus 2, because if you take minus of these two, this mu by sigma sigma minus 35 by sigma minus mu by sigma equals to, here we have minus, so same as it is, right answer minus into minus plus mu by sigma equals to 1.23 minus into minus plus 1.48. Okay, plus minus, it will get cancelled here, this part, and you left with only, what's that? Sorry. You will left with 63 minus 35 by sigma, that will be 28. If you remove 35 from 63, you will get 28 by sigma equals to, if you add this 1.23 and 1.48, so that will be 2.71. Okay, now the question is, you have to find sigma. If you take sigma, this will be here denominator 28 by 2.71. So the answer you will get here, if you remove point 2800 by 271, that will be approximately 10.332. That is sigma equals to 10.33, or you can take 10. Okay. I'm taking here sigma equals to 10. Okay, 63. Now you have to find mu. Sorry. You can substitute sigma value in this equation or in this equation. You will got the answer. Okay, how 1.23 into 10 equals to 63 minus mu. Here 10, I'm taking 10 as it is. This will be 123. So this will be 63 minus 123. Sorry for this. 60. Okay? Like this you have to find mu and sigma. The question is finding mean and finding variance. We found the mean, mu, and we found the standard deviation. Variance is nothing but sigma square, that is 10.33, I mean 10, that is 100. Sigma square means. Okay. Did you understand?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubts to anyone? Is there any doubts? Remaining people.
Madam.
Okay, remaining Maheshwari. Maheshwari, are you there?
Sorry.
I think you all joined the class, and after the joining the class, you will go for another, work. I think. Maybe that's why you are not responding.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Remaining, we have syllabus remaining 2 units. First of all, you have to understand the questions. If you understand the question, you can answer in one time only. If you practice the question in one time, you can answer the question. If you don't listen the class, this will be difficult for you, because from the graph only you can understand, you can answer the question. Okay, if your class was disconnected, you have to rejoin the class, okay, because the Zoom was 40 minutes only. Next. Okay, next I'm taking the same type of question, but to understand this type of question, this is very important, these types of questions. That's why I'm taking 2 questions. In a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45 and 8% over 64. Here we have under, here we have over. Find the mean and variance of the distribution. Same question, but here one is under 45 and one is 8% over 64. How we will go for this? Okay, same. Okay, this is z equals to 0 and x equals to mu. Now, this is x1 and this is x2. 45 under means you have to consider this one, right? If you take here 45, under means this, over means this region. Okay, so 45. Only 31% of the items are under 45. If you consider here 45, above 31% you will get here, because here we have 50% and something here 45. This will be above 35, greater than 31. That's why I'm taking here 45. 31% will be here. If we have 31%, the remaining will be 19%, because from here to here 50%. So 31 plus 19, 50. Next step.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it is above 50. If it is above 50%, we have to take right side only, ma'am.
Above 50% means you have to take here. If you have under.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Suppose here we have 8% over 64. If you consider over, here the question is over, right?
50
if you
plus 8.
consider here 64, suppose I'm taking 8% over means you have to consider this region, right? But this will be 50
Yes,
and this will be 64. Means you will get more than 8%. That's why I'm taking here. This may be
Okay.
8%. Okay. Now, from here to here 50, you already given this value is 8%. Then this meaning?
42.
Yes, this will be 42. Why I am considering this region? Because to obtain the values of Z1, Z2, I already told you, you have the table values from here to something the value. We don't know the value for that. Here the value will be up to minus infinity. We don't have the values up to minus infinity. We have the values for the, rationals, irrational numbers only. That's why I'm taking this region and considering this region to find the values. Okay, so that will be, if you observe this diagram, A equals to Z equals to Z1. Okay, now you got this region, this region. Okay, what I told you, if you want to find this area, you have to remove from 0.5 minus 0.7. That will be 0.19. You can answer like directly, because this is 50%. That's why here there is no confusion. 50% means 0.5. So I am taking this region is 0.19. That is minus Z1. Minus Z1 equals to 0.1. And here Z2. What is Z2? This will be 0.42. This is the area. That is area. I am considering this is the area, not Z. Okay. Now look at where is 0.19. Look at the tables. Tell me where it is 0.19. If you look at the table, where is 0.19? Here we have, look at here. Here 159, right? Here we have 0.19.
0.05.
0.05. That means 0.0 and 0.5. So that's why I'm taking this 0.5. And next 0.42. I will give you this homework because I already explained this part. Same the procedure like this, the second one. Okay, you can, if I'm giving this as your homework, you will practice these types of questions. Okay. Okay, same you have to look at 0.42 in this and answer that one and substitute the values. Same you will get like this, okay? Where is 0.5? Look at here. Where is starting one? 0.5. Sorry. 0.42 and 0.19. Sorry, 0.42. So look at where is 0.42.
0.16.
Uh,
1628.
Here we have 0.42. Look at here. 42. We have 192, right? Here 4201. This is the 0.42. If you look at here, we have here 4207. So 1.4 here. Here we have 1.41. Okay? This is 1.41. Z2 we got 1.4. So x minus mu by sigma equals to 1.41. Same x value substitute 64 by sigma minus mu by sigma equals to 1.49. The first is 45 by sigma minus mu by sigma equals to minus 0.5. Now solve these two equations in like the previous one. Minus these equations. This is bigger than this one. That's why I'm taking 4 minus 3. If you cancel this, you will get the answer. Same here also, you got the answer sigma equals to 10. And if you substitute the sigma value, you will get the answer mu. Okay? So, okay, this is the question. For you to solve this, this is very important problem. Okay, next. The second question, the marks obtained in mathematics by 1000 students is normally distributed with the mean 78% and the standard deviation 11%. Is there any doubts in the previous problem? Because I am going to tell you another problem.
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall I start the new problem?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm starting another problem. Here we have mean 78% and standard deviation 11%. Determine how many students got marks above 90% and what was the highest marks obtained by the lowest 10% of the students. The question here you have to understand. The first one is very simple, but the second one you have to understand. What was the highest marks? That means you have the question is here, how many students got marks above 90%? Okay. So here you have to understand. The question is how many students, and above 90% means they already given the x value. This is the percentage. If you have suppose 100 marks, that meaning 90% means 90 marks, right? So how many of the students got above 90 marks? This is the question. Next question. What was the highest mark? They don't know what is the highest mark. They didn't give the highest mark. They given them 10% of the students got some highest marks. What are that highest marks? The question is. So first of all, you have to know what is the question. You have to understand what is the question. So here the question is you have to find x. But here they given the question the value of x. Here they given the 10% of the students. That meaning here how many students is the question. Here they given the 10% of the students got some highest mark. You have to find what is the highest mark that 10% of the students got. Okay, next. Within what limits did the middle of 90% of the student lie? This is a question that how many students of the middle of 90% will lie? You have to find the limits for this. Okay? So, first of all, you have to understand what is the question. Next, you have to write the solution first. That is what they given. They given mu 78 and standard deviation 11. Okay, and number of students also they given, that is 1000. So let x be the normal variate which indicates marks of the distribution, because here they emphasizing the marks only. That's why I'm taking x as the normal variate that indicates marks. The question, who such? So the question is above 90. Above means same. Probability of x greater than 90. Okay? Probability of x greater than 90. Greater than. Here what is x? 90. I'm taking here 90. Above 90 means here. Okay? So z equals to what you have to do. If you want to solve this, you have to convert x values in terms of z. Okay. And why I'm taking x equals to 90 means here I'm getting z as positive. That's why I'm taking here x. So if you solve 90 minus 78 by 11, 12 by 11, 12 by 11, you can write an as 1 by 11, 1 plus 1 by 11, 1 plus 1 by 11, 0.09. So 1.09 is the z value you got here. So this is the question. This is the shaded region. You have to find probability of x greater than 90. I am converting this in terms of z. That is probability of z greater than 1.09. So same. If you remove from 50%, that is 0.5 minus this region, that is z1. Area of z equals to 1.09. What is the value of, here you have to look at the z value. Okay, the value is z, not area here. Area of z equals to 1.09. Now look at here. Tell me where is 1.09? The value of z, what is the area? I already showing that, sorry. Tell me, where is 1.09? Look at the table. Is there anyone?
0.3621, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So 1.09, how you have to look at here 1.0. Where is 9? Here. So the combination of this one. This is the 0.3621. So I am taking 0.3621. If you remove this, you will get 0.1379. But the question is how many students. That's why I am multiplying this area into 1000 number of students. If you remove point, you will get 4 zeros. If you 4 zeros means 3 zero will get cancelled. You left with only 0. That is 137.9. I am considering this as 138 because there is no half of the student. That's why I am taking integer value 138. So 138 members got 90%, above 90%. Okay? Next, the question. This is a difficult one maybe for you. What was the highest marks? So I am taking, we don't know what is the highest mark. That's why I am taking x equals to x1 be the highest mark. Okay? By the lowest 10% of the students got. Okay. Lowest 10%. The graph will be like this. Here we have 10%. Lowest 10% means this is the
వస్తుంది కొంచెం పోతున్నారు అర్థమైతలేదు ఎందుకని
okay. This is the 10%. The remaining will be 40%.
మార్నింగ్ దోశ తిన్నా అంతే ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ అన్నము
So this is the 10% and here to here 4%. I'm taking z equals to 0. I'm taking here that is z1. Okay, from here to here, 0 less than, you can consider here, you have only one value, right? I'm considering that is z less than minus z. How you can take like this? Same, both are same. Because it is minus, that's why I'm emphasizing, or you can take z less than z1. That is 0.4. Okay. So now you have, this is area 0.5. That is for Z1. So you have to look at the table again and tell me where it is 0.4. So first of all, I want to tell you, you have to bring the, you have to bring the table with you in the exam also. Okay, where is 0.4? The starting one, where 0.4? Sorry.
0.554 marks.
Okay, here you have that. The last one, 0.4015. 0.4, right? 0.04 means. So the one is 1.2 and the last one is 9. So 1.29. Why I'm taking 1.29? This is the starting one, 0.40. And the second one will be like this, 403. That's why I'm taking this is 1.29. So minus Z1 we got 1.29. That will be minus of x minus mu by sigma equals to 1.29. So x minus mu by sigma equals to minus 1.29. And here you have the values for mu and sigma, right? Already they are given what is mu and what is sigma. So substitute the values. I'm substituting here. X minus, the question is this one, you have to find x minus mu 78 by sigma 11 equals to minus 1.29. Okay, so x minus 78 equals to minus of 11 into 1.29. So this will be x minus 78 equals to 11 into 1.29 will be 14.19. If you take 78 to this side, x equals to 78 minus 14.19. I'm taking 78 minus 14.19 will be 14. So x equals to 64. We got the mark. So the number of students who got 10% below 10%, the highest mark is 64 marks. So 10% of the student got 64 marks. Is there any doubt about this problem? Second one.
I have a doubt.
Let's work together. Let's work together.
Mic on చేసి చెప్పు.
Is there any doubt about the second one?
ఎవడన్నా అంటే తెలంగాణ
No, ma'am.
So the second one you have to find x. That's it. Okay, the second one is you have to find x. The question is x. So you have to take 10% means in the previous one what we discussed that 10% and 0.4%, that is 40%. You have to look at this area. So you have to look at the table, write the Z1 value. Z is nothing but 0.4 is nothing but 1.29 and substitute the mu and sigma and to solve that you will get the answer. Okay, next the third question. What is the third question? Within what limits did middle of 90% of the students lie? So this is the question. What is that? You have to find the limits. How many limits you have x1 and x2? So the question is
ఇప్పుడు
So this will be the curve, right? That is x equals to mu and z equals to 0.
ఇప్పుడు
Okay. So the question is in the middle of 90%. If the middle of 90% means this is the middle of 90%. I'm taking this. So 90% means this is symmetric about x equals to mu. So 90% I'm taking 45% here and this will be 45%. Okay. So I already told you from here to here 50%. I already taken here 45% and the remaining will be 5%. And here also 5%. Because it is symmetric, that's why the area from here to here and here to here same. Okay. So the question is the find the limits means here suppose I am taking x1 and x2. You have to find the values of this x1 and x2. This is the question. Okay. Did you understand? Why I am taking 45%? They already given the question in the middle of 90%. Middle of 90%. That's why I am taking in the middle. And it is symmetric. So it is 45% and it is also 45%. Okay. To find the x1 and x2. Okay. So this will be 90%, right? Here z1, the corresponding value of x1 I am taking z1 and for the corresponding value of x2 I am taking z2. Okay. So from here to here area of z1 plus from here to here area of z2 equals to from here to here 90%, right? 90% will be so 0.9. The area is 0.9. Okay. So now from here to here the area is same. I am taking from here to here the area is same. That's why I am taking the symbol area of this will be area of z2 and this also area of z2. So area of z2 we got 0.9. 2 of area of z2 plus area of z2 we got 2 times of area of z2 equals to 0.9. Okay. So area of z2 so 0.2 for the 825 0.45. We got the area here, not z2. So same procedure, you have to look at the table and answer me what is the z2 value. Where is 0.45? Look at the table. Here we have, tell me where is 0.45?
1.65, ma'am.
Yes, here we have 0.45, right? So this
1.6.
will be 1.6 and here 1.65. So the answer for this is z2 equals to 1.65. Okay, you got the z2. Now the question is finding x2. z2, substitute the value of z2. What is z2? What is the formula? X minus mu by sigma. z2 means x2 minus mu by sigma, right? So 1.6 I'm substituting here. So we have the values for mu and sigma. What are the values mu and sigma? Here 78 and sigma is 11. Okay. So x2 minus mu equals to 1.65 into sigma x2 I'm taking mu to right hand side. This will be sigma into 1.65. So x2 1.65. So x2 equals to 78 plus, if you multiply this, what is the answer? 11 into 1.65. Can anyone answer me? Are you listening the class or not?
18.15, ma'am.
And the remaining, what happened? Remaining ones.
Total 96.15.
Why don't you answer me? Okay, so 78 plus 18.15. 78. Yes, so 96.15. I'm taking directly 18, and this will be 96.
Yeah.
So you got the answer for x2, right? Now the question is the first limit you have to find. Okay, I already told you Z1, Z2 you got the answer 1.65. Right here Z2 equals to 1.65. For Z1 also the same value because it is symmetric. I'm taking Z1 minus Z1 equals to 1.565. Why I'm taking minus Z1?
Left side, ma'am.
Yes, here we have left hand side, left side of Z equals to 0. This will be negative values. That's why I'm taking minus Z1 equals to 1.65. So Z1 equals to minus 1.65. Same procedure for Z1 equals to minus 1.65. I'm taking Z1 as x1 minus mu by sigma equals to minus 1.65.
Madam, screen off and
Oh, sorry. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
So I'm taking x1 minus mu equals to sigma into 1.65. Okay, so x1 equals to mu minus sigma. Only we have the negative symbol. Okay, here. Okay, x1 equals to same procedure 78 minus sigma 11 into 65. That will be 78 minus 18.15. In the previous one, we got the plus symbol, right? Because Z2, we have positive one. Here we have minus Z1, that's why we got here minus, that's it. So 78 minus 18, same, right. What is the value?
60,
Same,
ma'am.
you can answer, you can remove here or after the elimination of 78, 18.15. So I'm taking 78 minus 18, that is 60. We got the value of x1 and we got the x2 also 96. So these are the limits, right? Did you understand? Remaining ones, who is that? Krishna. Hey Krishna, are you there?
They're there, madam. We are there, madam. Madam.
If you didn't respond, I will consider you as absent, okay?
వేసుకోమని
Hey Krishna, 117, rule number.
రెస్పాండ్
Are you there?
నాకు రాదు మ్యాథ్స్
చెప్పు మేడం ఐఎమ్ హియర్ మేడం బట్ ఐ హావ్ డౌట్ మేడం అని చెప్పు
నా డౌట్లు
Say yes or no.
తెలుస్తుంది
Okay.
డౌట్
So 117. Okay, and the remaining one, Guru Raj.
పేరు విలిచినట్టు
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm closing this class today.
సత్యం
If you have any doubts, you can pin me at this WhatsApp also. I took your screenshot, your attendance. So I'm closing this class. Thank you and bye.
Ma'am, notes pattern, ma'am.
Okay. I will send in the class group P and S group. Okay.